Today, if you are able to send audio, videos, pictures from one device to the other via Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and all the other apps, then you have to know the man behind all these ideas, the man behind all these beautiful inventions. Today, we are going to talk about Dr. Thomas Mensah, a great engineer, inventor from Africa, West Africa, Ghana. I believe you have heard that Dr. Thomas Mensah has kicked the bucket. Sadly, on the 26th of March, this 2024, I know there will be people from the next generations that will watch this video, and at that time they will be like, wow, Dr. Thomas Mensah really deserved to be studied as a course in several universities around the globe. Before we dig deep, goes deep into today's story about Dr. Thomas Mensah, let us go and listen to Dr. Thomas Mensah, one of his viral speeches. In the same speech, he was talking more about himself and what he has done for Africa, especially the United States of America. When we come back, we are going to talk about what he planned to do for Ghana, creating about 400 to 500,000 jobs for the people of Ghana in the year 2018, 2019, and 2020, and how the government of Ghana rejected his beautiful ideas to save the economy of the country. But DR Congo, they never looked down on the fellow black man. It's not everything that a white man did it. The DR Congo knew that. So the ideas Ghana rejected, DR Congo grabbed it. Let's go and listen to Dr. Thomas Mensah. When we come back, I got a pile of details to share with you. May you more than 70.
So now see commentary or social media, no style of blogging, fantastic. So you see commentary, news in the bar. So you see commentary for home, so good. Keep on going.
And the Ostar also, the Ebema other tribe a flow. Sorted. I don't know say commentary like or you as a presenter, sports presenter that they are. And maybe I also train free a debate. It's all good. Oh yeah, dear. Can one modern? Can one will try pa?
I am sure so by now you are asking yourself a lot of questions. Say Mr. Thomas Mensah, yes, I know my way in America in terms of military, or boy, US military, smart ammunition. So we use to be asking we be yama, woman part with me, the woman yamomo, a buy NASA as well. Mr. Thomas Mensah to me, boy, NASA, Emma, woman, ya be a friend of the superconduction. I bet me a boy NASA for a space communications. I know my way in say no correct. Say Mr. Thomas Mensah, yes, I know my way in to the extent say Uku rap, even DR Congo, Amulunuma Express, fast train, or use currently a DR Congo, or no, then why not in Ghana? Yes, just by now, these are some of the questions that are running through your mind. Anything on your can be as by the as usual, educatively, detailing the fact that what's who announced what to know mass or Ghana, and I don't think they be a man for shaking road Ghana. So, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and also Twitter, and other accounts. It's just which you can Ghana, you will YouTube or maybe sometimes you may say content, maybe on this platform, I'm able to YouTube. See, but YouTube, you develop YouTube and so. It is our share me free Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and also Twitter. And also join a bush your corner with YouTube and I'm a cow say. Over YouTube, na constantly a king.ghana underscore a goa. Na join a bush your corner na content quality in the goa. Also say to me akabi. Emma is a king no IBA him a one and a show IK1 that is king.ghana underscore goa K1NG underscore goa. See the that screen as a pepe. Then we write the beautiful content of Dr. Thomas Mensah. When I make cow say, man, if you like this video wherever you are watching me from. So him with YouTube, so I would like video we are subscribe to this channel. I was your cool for ya betin wa hansu. Also subscribe you are finding I don't maybe a subscription in channel for some boss need choose all no I found some boss. I don't remember why the video to my way better than the first person I want submit to me account all the other videos that are coming.
Can one modern? Can one will try pa?
It truly is Mr. Thomas Mensah on the boy NASA for momia superconductors for space communication. Now sabu a US Army for momia smart ammunition and ne ka weapons a would US military no or no na build ma wo mo de a. Why say no ma we nyina me wiase nyina. Abo ma internet etimi agina wo wiase mu a de no ye ma de krom Ghana for. We are going to talk about how the government of Ghana deceived Mr. Thomas Mensah. Abro ye na nso obebi the fast train system e wo Ghana na nka ye rain route no bi bia so abe in less than an hour. From Tamale to Cape Coast through Kumasi and also from Bimbila to Accra all in less than an hour. And also connecting from Kumasi to also to Accra in less than 45 minutes. So yema Congo don't be super one among Ghana. Yeah, then after the government assure on so bɛboa na amasa nimdie we nyina bamu. Now through this innovation the rail system now was creating about 400 to 700,000 jobs for the people of Ghana. No, sa nimdie na bebre mo te ye no enyam bem a day disappointment ni free. And also creating an aerospace hub repair in Ghana, the central part of Ghana, nanka creating about 1 million jobs for the people of Ghana. And also me sure so te hun said enyamba. So Mr. Thomas Mensah had all these ideas for Ghana. And then so through these ideas, and why na give pick one district, one factory, no about but enyamba so about the same year ba be bo hon komo. And then come on them what no ma bebre ase e we Ghana mamu ni disappointment in free here.
I don't know, say commentary like or you as a presenter, sports presenter that they are.
2014-2015, Dr. Thomas Mensah Bora Ghana, or yes, so named the current government and also that time they were going to partnership. YBB Ama Ghana. Obora Ghana, no, they saw his ideas and they said, "Nah, you too big," and they didn't believe in him. So betting YBB Ama Ghana, so he couldn't put his plans on the table. So now was all back to the USA. 2018-2019, Dr. Thomas Mensah saw Bora Ghana be trying to put his ideas on the table and also see Ghana as Ghana because who are Brabo Munti or any proposal and any ideas or person they transforming Ghana into the then time government or the association or the two ones winning. An idea that was willing to create the fastest train for the people of Ghana. An idea through which the rail route quite not train the Befaka district to be a train bedroom and be two factories. That was his idea. The kind of factories whereby one of the factories will be producing plastics for the interior design of the train, and the other factory will be producing the metal part, the exterior part of the train. Let's think about the plastic and the aluminium or the metal part of the train. Every district to be a train route in Benambi and you do a factory no one that and avoid the importation of all these things because at the capable mind. So yeah, design a training system no quite. They say beer factories along the way. All these ideas he told the then time government or that's what this one almost to me say this is a powerful idea. The assurance was so big to the sense that Thomas Mensah believed say Ghana idea and the yamana ye. Fundings were created. Sikano ye the two abontini party ye Kano radio stations. TV said this is what Thomas Mensah want to do for Ghana in cooperation with the current government or Dr. Mensah and call into partnership. But meaning someone wouldn't know talking can and wouldn't say up to now, some of my way embarrassed to be see that you are asking yourself, you've been questioning yourselves, are they that these ideas were never implemented? I brought any ideas when you at two table, that's why the government in G2, the government are not so up to now, that's to see G2. We say, Thomas Mensah ideas he bet me a Ghana. Mr. Thomas Mensah believed the government to the extent I feel not also should die or believe we say, ideas he baby one keep before swing and Ghana for power. In an interview on Joy Prime News, and some of the two that a be now who knows training, you may more Mr. Thomas Mensah. The proposal is also in line with the current government's one factory, one district plan, said Dr. Mensah, who felt his proposed HRS corridor from the south to the north of the country can actually exceed this goal by having the potential to creating 4 factories per district along the rail route to supply to the construction and operation of the HRS. He so much believed the government not to maybe or be Ghana to the extent or 2 o'clock also someone die. Oh, yeah, what the twas what Joy Prime News say. I see factories set up the HRS. I see factories set up to build, among other things, plastics and composite for the interior of the highway speed trains, as well as possibly aluminium parts for the train itself. So as you can see on your screen, at the left side of your screen, a Ghana map be down. And your map can that hold the trade here. And your Kwanya Dr. Mensah person dini Jumano and then that was ano. A tinkati must free Tamale ABC Cape Coast and you might be back when you be demutia. If you bimbila be pima crown, so a quine beba a bedemutia. You man to bet me a call. If you bimbila so now back, what was a quine we yet to on the right side, so I could PM with the water part of Ghana. There's some part of the system that the first train a quine giving in Atiana de Musa and after a sea being your mama for you. A quine free Tamale ever Cape Coast to so ebe for Kumasi so I had the left side out means airco a bole horn to Yana hormone. We quine in answer on the map as I know my way in less than 45 minutes our left and right. The big one here about an hour or less than an hour. I know that them Tiam you know he needed just Tamale to a Cape Coast, in Bila to a Accra to spread the transport system to make it easy in the whole of Ghana. Some ideas we see saying. And so all these beautiful ideas and then because the government didn't trust the fellow black man so with me I am Ghana for. And so the contract was later given to the Polish company, our trains. And then the Biaba will be a bullet train, the fastest train, not the trains in Poland for you and the Europe. They signed the beautiful ideas of Mr. Thomas Mensah and a Chileno Yakasa Yasha the Bunyan Yenebe more fine a tune wine and I'm going for Poland for Mumbai train. Apart from that, Osai and I saw baby aerospace repair hub over the central part of Ghana. Geographically, the central part of Ghana, not regional wise. That is in the Asante region. Some ideas wins what the two government and government need to much or baby. I bet me about because if it me a being you might be Brahma Ghanaian you to me. Nankama the whole African baby a repair planes, the first and the biggest one about the PM away the Asante region. Government need to move around 2018-2019 where now by 2020 will bet me a vehicle. less than 5 years obetimi aye saa adwuma no awie ti nkomo ne yepa. An amount of $400 million and visibility studies and land survey has been conducted. Say sika no kra efa hin because yente ho asem because mo the bar radio so say monya $400 million na mo de bi dis adwuma no Kumasi no. Ma me kan say Otumfuo kra ma mo nsase acres of land, big balls in acres of land some of this adwuma no because mo ko catch Otumfuo say monya $400 million no mo betimi aye no Kumasi na Ghana mamnu nyina nso atimi anya adwuma ye. Sa $400 million na mo be announce say mo nsa kan no e kra e wo hefa. Ma me kinkan bibu ane ti ne wo se nkomo ha ye di no emu dupa. We can now proceed with the development of the airport city. The long-term vision is to have high-rise buildings around the airport. We are further pushing for Fortune 500 companies to go to Kumasi and establish their headquarters around Kumasi Airport City. The aviation hub is expected to be established in Kumasi before 2022. When you come here, better about here because that internet. When you an interview, I'm granted Dr. Thomas Mensah or the two, because of the assurance and the partnership between him and the government. You know, no one in so many interview. No, Thomas Mensah and grant because he confirmed also $400 million has been disbursed for the project. $400 million. You're calculating you say you money $400 million can do it. Ama even visibility studies and a land survey has been conducted. Baby you made say you money no who say baby you could money because Otumfuo Asantehene was very happy when the project was coming to Asante region. So he gave them a very large acres of land so could say you na Ghana for me brenya Asante for Ghana for me The Boeing Corporation will train engineering graduates of KNUST and all high school graduates in the country to be aircraft engineer, mechanics, and aviation services. This project will create 300 to 400,000 jobs during design. And did you way and come on, Mr. Thomas Mensah because he trusted the government so much in it would is a cow when you money money in $400 million. Omo de baba ye be see Kumasi. Omo be bie bro no bi Kumasi for airport city omo be see hotels etwa ho nyina ahia. Ye baba be ye na repair airplanes e wo honom e wo airport city ho. Just the design of this program now e wo eye Kumasi na nko omo baba ye keke de kra na e be for about 300 to 400,000 people. Jumanko betimi abie no about 300 to 400,000 jobs just doing the design. Omo the university graduates and even secondary school graduates and a be design we. Omo ye design na nkan kra no to say sua de. Se na be o ma benye nimdie e wo aircraft engine ho. Omo se nye nimdie e wo aviation services. Through the design they are going to be paid because it's a job. The airport city of Kumasi. Otumfuo was also briefed on the status of the major airport aircraft maintenance facility being planned for Kumasi.
Commentary news in the bars and you see commentary for home we so good keep on going
into omo ko chiechie mu nyina chie Otumfuo kwan am person omo airport city no Ghana no Kumasi after the proposal of Mr. Thomas Mensah okoka chira ban na ban gi too much say ampa so omo dina so the cost funding from the world around the globe omo nya $400 million omo de ba be di djuma no omo timi ko brief situation ne chie Otumfuo was also briefed on the status of the major airport aircraft maintenance facility in plan for Kumasi for which he has donated 23,000 acres to omo ko kan sansem ne nyina chie Otumfuo na ampa say Mr. Thomas Mensah won twantro amana na etinya farm 23,000 acres of land some fanye airport city because most was in Canada ho omo de to na nanim kire say sa facility wey a facility be the whole of West Africa kra ebi ni wankasa ebi ni Africa. This facility is the first of its kind in West Africa and will be West Africa hub for maintenance of all African aircraft from the 15 ECOWAS countries. Otumfuo is willing. He has given you around 23,000 acres of land. Afemu anyi dwuma no ewe hefa ibesi ne ewe hefa sa dwuma we nyina end me amaso. Mr. Thomas Mensah was very disappointed to the extent say afenu will lose interest ewo Ghana mu. So when people started calling him for interviews later no ogaja omo say Ghana so omo ni sika omo de begi entina we yin nse free mu. But nobody was bold enough to question the government and they say $400 million na mo se mo nsa kan no say sika no we hefa. Mo ka say mo nsa kan sika no because Otumfuo busa mo say mo nsa kan sika no na mo se mo nsa kan sika no. Few months later they hu say sa airport hub no was some aircraft hub no mo ko no kutoka no makoye kitua bi wo ho no ade no anka ebe ye na anka even nyuma de beba be create about 1 million jobs ama Ghana for no motimi achemu ana mo kitua bi akwakoye pia ye kitua bi wo kutoka no makoye kitua bi wo ho no sa Abraham no ka say enya nko Kumasi enya nko Asante region even the railway system no ka so be ye no kra na be bie dwuma no na anka one district one factory na timi ye dwuma na eno antie no kra eno so kosi say later when the hu yan say ye ya wo the CEO of Ghana Railway Development Authority on Poland and all tested trains. We do not believe in our own black people, but we believe still in a white man. So white man, yeah, I know the a black man now no boa man for other parts of the world. No, no, Ghana. Ghana wa enyi enkosi da be. Mr Thomas Mensah, may your soul rest in peace, for I know how much you have tried to change the destiny of Ghana, but the leaders never believed in your dream. You have been fighting for a better Ghana till now, and you are going to your grave. I know how loyal and how helpful you wanted to be to the economy of the country. Just your name putting Ghana on the globe has been enough. But the papa mu ne kesi mu na ne yehwehwe firi ho. Ye wadwen se the bema ye so mpanimfo no amu. Ya memfa okransi yi. My bigger question before I sign out is, inti Ghana mpanimfo metimi ya Ghana yie ni. Bidi ne kenye bese hye bi mo na next video. Emu nwa kenye. Ai, bebre no ani medada. Ne won komo ketewa bi. Mu hia me pa. Sa na me yehwe so se ho behia won so. Ensem tia wa bi pe. Inti ma me wi a America kra bi. De edi kan. Eda obi ase. A waso ye king.ghana mu. I waso me mu. Especially on a TikTok. I mean adom wankasa onwane odonti. Yene na over 100,000. That is 10% of 1 million people. Even if say gusompo ana e follow yen. Ana mu di echi e wo ye TikTok. Sa wodo ye anso na mu yi kire me e wo ye Facebook. Na de me pese mu hunu ni. Aresrede e ho wonfaso. Ene say afi ne maybe a YouTube account. E ye mono pa. The content e wo mu kura ndru ba bia. Afi ne de ba. There are a lot of beautiful packages I dey break Ghana for. Wa mu ni media mu ni se de mesi e medwuma. Enu nti nsi before mo ne gi video bia me de bebe bia ho. Enu nti mesre wade ba ko pese. Ye ti abusua foforo wa hai. E YouTube hai. Ma re fi se. Obe subscribe channel we ama me. An ni se de mesi e medwuma. Video ne sofo ma. Obi e ni je ho. We aye abusua ku foforo a ye ti ne YouTube hai nti no. Channel ya ya abofra afi na wo nyini. Mesre wo se. Be ka me ho ne nyini ha de ne nso nka ho. Se de maboa ama ene TikTok. The woni padodo be almost 10% of over 1 million people ne follow your TikTok. Amanam sa so e ye bi kire me e wo ye Facebook no. Subscribe channel we so ma me. Emum de hia ne se. O subscribe wi a. E ma we fi sa adoma na that subscription in channel. What do won sabe boso. No what choose all. When you say details na ne credit nyina hwehwe na de abramo. E bie mu so ha. YouTube haye. Se na bia obedi kan na won sa ka video bia me de beba bia ntim. E sa sere obi o se. O subscribe wi a. E ma we fi se. What do won sabe bo adoma na that subscription in channel. No what choose all no. Ye nyina busua we. Bra de be kam ho ne nyina we so. Enka ne ya dada no. Within the ken. The catch content I de be go YouTube ha no. Anu dancing the munim dada no. Afi na afi ye bebe wradi mu odro ni mu ye sure se woni mi se me de meye ma ko hwe no kura no efe tifini apiwe ni anafo abro odra mi wo ma wonti mu nua ken ni subscribe sponsor bo adoman so choose you all afi share video yi e mani padodo bebre na won so nya bi hwe ni mu se manu asi we de ken subscribe grada da e de won sa bo adoman so e choose you all no within the ken no e din kra e be se share on our next video
ken one o boy juma we dey Jacob so now see commentary or social media no style of blogging fantastic say you see commentary no news in the bar say you see commentary for home so good keep on going
and the star no so the ebema other tribe aflow unyi sorted undi atemni e basa beka no it's so painful I know shit I don't know say commentary like or you as a presenter sports presenter that they are and we maybe I will question free a bit. It's all good. Oh yeah, dear. Can one modern? Can one will try pa?
Can one oh boy Juma we dey Jacob so now see commentary or social media no style of blogging fantastic say you see commentary no news in the bar say you see commentary for home so good keep on going
and the star no so the ebema other tribe aflow unyi sorted undi atemni e basa beka no it's so painful I know shit I don't know say commentary like or you as a presenter sports presenter that they are and maybe I will question free a bit it's all good oh yeah dear can one modern can one will try pa